What is up, you guys? We are getting our big storm. We've already gotten a ton of snow. It is windy and it is snowy. Sure is beautiful though, isn't it, Ariel? She loves chasing leaves. It's her favorite pastime. Anyways, I just wanted to hop on here and say that I'm back. Maybe. I change my mind all the time. Guys, this is my do right now. I got my comfy on. It's great. Barefoot boots. But I'm just gonna take Ariel out for a walk. She is in heat right now, so we're trying to keep an eye on her a little bit more. Since we live away from the road, it's nice to be able to just let her out usually, but can't risk any boys coming in. So Mama's gotta go out. Akira went out earlier with her. I hope everybody's having a really good February.